is Sean O'Neill, and this is a short 5-minute presentation of what a typical day in my classroom is like. Today's lesson is about working with exponents, and mainly the property of exponents. But before we can talk about properties of exponents, we have to ask our question, what is an exponent? So does anybody know what an exponent is?
That's when a number is multiplied by itself a certain number of times.
When a number is multiplied. Exactly, when a number is multiplied by itself a number of times. How do we write it in Mathanese?
A variable or number with another variable number.
Something multiplied by itself some number of times. So that something is our base. And I use the letter B so that we can better remember base. Alright, so B is the base. That is the number that we multiply over and over and over again. A is the power or the exponent. And my pen has run out of ink. There we go. Or the exponent. So if we had b to the third power, how can we rewrite that?
B times B times B.
Okay. What if I did b to the third power times b squared?
B times B times B times B times B times B.
Right? 3b's times 2b's. So if we have 3b's times 2b's, how many b's do we have total?
5.
Is there a coincidence here? Can you see something on the board that would make you think about how you multiply exponents?
It looks like you just do the same base, you can add the exponents together.
If they're the same base, we can add the exponents. That's absolutely correct. So our first property of exponents is if the bases are the same, then if we are multiplying, we add the exponents. Add the exponents. What if the bases aren't the same?
Then you can't add them.
So if I had b, we have b squared times c to the fourth. Does that equal bc to the sixth?
No.
No, it does not. So this is completely wrong. It has to have the same base, and then when we have the same base and we're multiplying, we add the exponents. So let's see if you can do a few. Let's try doing these three guys. Alright, so I've gone around the room, checked you guys out. Most of you got it right. The first one, the bases are the same. The base is 3, so we just add the exponents. Because 5 plus 2 is indeed 7. On number 2, the bases are the same, but is that a negative 2 up there?
Yes.
I think it is.
So what happens when we add 4 to negative 2?
4 plus negative 2 is 2.
Outstanding. And on the third one, a to the fourth times c to the negative fourth?
Yeah.
4 subtract 4 is 0, and increasing to 0 power is 1.
What about the bases?
Oops.
Yeah, you gotta watch those bases. A is not the same thing as c. So we can't do anything with them. This is as reduced as we can get.